Okay, so today we are going to be making slime. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. Not just any slime. I'm going to be making clear slime. I have some clear washable glue. It's from Crazy's Slime, so it was like crazy art. So yeah, let's get started. So what we're going to be needing is we're going to be needing some clear glue or any type of glue. I'm just going to want to make mine clear, so yeah. And then we're going to be using eye contact solution. You can use Renew or anything that says boric acid or sodium borate up there in the content. And you're going to be needing some baking soda. And yeah. This is optional, but I'm going to be puffing some soap to make it smell good. If you want to do that, you can. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to add some of my glue in. I'm not going to add a lot, but I'm not going to add a lot. So I have my glue in here. And then you want to grab something to mix it with. If you're cheap like me, you would use something to mix, like these. I use markers to mix mine with, so I'm gonna go and use that. So you're gonna want to mix it, and then you're gonna want to add soap. This is really hard to take off because I got it from the party, so I'll be back when I take it off. Okay, so there it is. This is a really jiggly soap, and I'm probably gonna add a lot, so yeah. It smells really good. It got some on my hands, but it's really okay. You want to mix it in really well. And then put that on the side. And then I'm going to be making the solution. Because if you put the baking soda inside the bowl, it's going to start to clump up. So I'm going to grab my baking soda. I only need 1 pinch. Or 2, so I'm 2 pinches. You can either put 1 if you want a really strong activator, or 2. You want to put it in here in a separate container. Then you want to grab your eye contact solution, and then when you have your eye contact solution, you're going to want to pour some in. So it's like the activator for the slime. You want to be sure to make enough to activate your slime. So yeah, that's all I'm going to be using. And then you're going to want to grab something to mix it with. Like I said, I'm a cheap person, so I'm using this. You want to grab your activator, mix it with eye contact solution. I'm going to add 1 more. But you guys don't need to add it a lot. Well, I have a really bad eye contact solution. If you guys really want to get one that works, you can get the Renew. But that one brand is really expensive. So I'm just going to be using this one. You can use Opti-Free. It's a kind of eye contact solution. And it should work. Yeah. I made my glue. I'm not gonna add any color to this. So yeah, I'm gonna pour it little by little. And we add a little bit. And then it should start to get like that. That means it's working. But it's gonna get foggy really fast because I added soap. So yeah, it kind of looks really good. Because sometimes it doesn't mix good. And then you're gonna add more activator. As you can see, it's working. As you can see, it's white because there's lots of bubbles in it from the soap. So yeah, I'm just gonna add all the activator and then I'll make more if it's not enough. So yeah. So I'm gonna go in with my hands because it's kind of ready. It's still sticky, but I'm going to go in with one hand. And I'll be back when I make more solution. So yeah, I'll be back. When I make, sorry, it's not called well. Okay, so this is the slime. It's still sticky. And I made more activator. This one isn't as clear because I was rushing to make it. So yeah, I'm just going to pour some on my hand and knead it in with the rest. So you could save this activator and it should still work. Or every time you're making slime, you can use the activator. Or you can just make your own all the time. So here's the slime. You don't want to activate it a lot. Because if you do, then you'll notice that it starts to get wet every area you put it on. I'm not going to put it on this table because I really want this slime to stay like this. And you can leave it for a day or two, or it might take a couple days. I would say 5 days or like a week. It would be clear. And yeah, you can put it in a jar, or anything. Like, yeah, I'd rather not put it in a Ziploc bag because Ziploc bags, it really is kind of hard for it. A mason jar, containers would be fine, but if you don't have them and you have Ziploc bags, that's fine. So yeah, I hope you guys like my video. I hope you subscribe. Click the notification bell to see all my other videos. And don't forget to check out my other videos and put likes on those videos. So, yeah. Subscribe for a shout out.